Hi guys, today we're going to try this new kayak out. Be Batman. We got blowing it up.
Where are we at though?
In Summersville, West Virginia.
Summersville Lake in West Virginia, right? Okay. You're going to give a review on this kayak, right?
The apple box. Yeah. No, unzip. You put the box right here.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it and I'll help you. Okay, here's your review of the kayak. What do you think?
I am not. Help, please.
You better get your butt on your seat.
I tried to steal a kayak.
You tore my seat up.
Steal the stupid seat, you idiot.
Levi.
We must have got home by now.
You know what? That's good. You're fine. Move your foot. Move your foot. Hey.
Just go. No!
Well, you're going to flip it. Don't flip it.
Yeah, don't turn over. You'll flip it.
Okay,
Levi. Levi. What are you doing now?
I got that out in front again.
Oh my
Wait,
goodness.
get out. Give me your hand. You're right. Get out. Stand up.
Get out of the kayak. Guys,
Get up.
Guys, help. Help. Please.
You better get in there without tearing that kayak
Can I
up.
show y'all how to get in the kayak?
Go right ahead. Did you see what he did? Smooth.
Now I'm stuck.
Uh-oh, he ain't even got a paddle. Did you see what he did, Levi? He put the first foot in. Did you see him?
Let's go, you how it's done. Get in the kayak. What are you waiting on?
There you go. Now put your butt over where it needs to be. There you go. Almost. Subscribe. He said subscribe. Here's your paddle, kid. Levi, are you in it?
Hold this and don't hit me.
It's done wallered my seat. Okay, I'm gonna pause it.